Never let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines.
Palis na kami. And guys, kasama na naman tayo dito sa mga sama natin sa pag-fishing. By the way, ako nga pala si Janabat TV. And guys, yung mga sila Master Dudan, si Sharkin. Master Dudan, shout out.
Oh, shout out sa mga di kasama.
Sharkin, shout out.
Good morning po, good morning. Good luck po sa amin.
And guys,
Happy fishing.
Master, shout out.
Saan to, Karigo?
May nagtigil sa amin na ano, makalimu daw.
Yung kabilang magka, sila Sergeant Consuelo, nagdali kahapon, Apo Kanimo. Ay, magkano bangka? 1.7 daw. Tapos
malaking tingga ang garit mo. Masilig. Parang wala masilig.
atamtaman lang atong lang ininingkuan. Atamtaman lang atong ngayon.
Kahit ng pagwala ng atong. Ibaling walang atong.
Malalim.
Toto. Yeah. Yeah. Ibaling walang atong basta may toto, may masasak yung bangka. Tagay niya tayo kaya bagas ba?
Oo, yun yung bahay ko. May kartin.
Pinsan niyo pa si Sanyo.
lalim.
Ayun na.
Antay?
Si Sanyo Tabordo, pinsan niyo pa?
Si?
Sanyo Tabordo.
Si Sinabordo?
Norman.
Oo. Kuwan ko pa ito, baka kuwan ko ito. Kasi si tatay, saka papa niya, second cousin. Third cousin ko na. Ay, pamang Ano diyan papunta yun?
Magandang pwesto mo, master. Di ka masuka niyan.
Lalim-lalim.
Dati talaga dito, pag baba pa lang, hindi pa nakakalapas sinasalubong na.
Pag yaw na buraw.
Pa,
Subad na naman yan, oh.
wala. Nag-joke lang po yan. Napakabalang yun. Kita mo, malaki ang talo ko, nakakahuli.
Siya yata.
Wala, nakawala yata.
Ugayan. Subad yan. Nagangkoyang ko yan.
Gurang pati ang talo ko. Butiti pa rin ang nahuli ko.
Kalaso.
Yeah, ito.
Gabi na ini. Kalaso na. Mahulog pati ang hayop ng pala.
Hindi tinamaan.
Kaya pala nahuli ka, kalasok pala eh. Binukan mo at dito na kami ng